Hi and welcome to Blogrope. Today we are looking at 10 ways in which coronavirus is affecting the whole world. Within a quick span of time, the coronavirus outbreak has gone out of control. The coronavirus pandemic is taking a toll all around the globe. It is not just affecting lives, but many other things. Read ahead to know the 10 ways in which coronavirus is affecting the whole world. The pandemic is pushing countries into indefinite periods of lockdown and people into quarantines globally. Let's take a look at all the things this coronavirus pandemic is affecting. Number 1. Italy's death toll surpasses China. On Friday, the death toll in Italy due to coronavirus outbreak surpassed China. Italy got hit hard by the new and deadly coronavirus. China, being the epicenter of coronavirus outbreak, has officially reported 3,245 deaths from the virus. But on Friday, Italy reported 4,032 deaths due to the virus. This made Italy the number 1 country with the highest number of coronavirus deaths. The second is China. Now, as a measure of healthcare, Italy has prolonged its national lockdown till April 3rd, so as to avoid more coronavirus fatalities. Number 2. Rise in global death toll. Not just Italy or China, but the whole world has been affected drastically by the coronavirus outbreak. Currently, 158 countries and territories are suffering from the COVID-19 outbreak. The global death toll has risen to over 11,000, with more than 2 million people hospitalized due to infections globally. On this devastating situation around the globe, the UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres showed great concern. He also warned the whole world of the potential corrosive impact of the virus. He appealed to the public to stay safe and practice health hygiene. Number 3. China sees a glimmer of hope. In the midst of worldwide coronavirus crisis, China experiences a glimmer of hope. China reports on Friday no new virus-affected domestic cases for 2 days in a row. The country is said to have been able to curb the spread of the virus by imposing strict quarantine rules. Wuhan, the central city of China, is the place from where the coronavirus spread. The wet market of Wuhan is home to various sea and exotic animals, including bats, snakes, and pangolins, both live and dead. The virus is said to have originated from bats and snakes, which got further contracted by humans via consumption. Number 4. Trump lashes out at China and imposes lockdown in California. After dismissing the threat of coronavirus initially, Trump lashed out at China recently when US was faced with the virus's potential threat. Trump condemned the lack of responsibility at China's part on hiding the outbreak. He commented that the whole world is paying the price due to China's irresponsible act. As a means to flatten the curve, Trump imposed lockdown of California, a home to 39 million people. In addition, US authorities are fast-tracking anti-malarials chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine for use as a coronavirus treatment. The drugs are synthetic forms of quinine, which has been used to treat malaria for centuries. Number 5. 14-hour JANTA curfew in India on March 22nd. On Thursday, Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi called for a 14-hour JANTA curfew in India on Sunday, March 22nd. As India has entered stage 2 of the coronavirus outbreak, with around 300 infected cases and 5 deaths, the Indian health authorities are appealing to the masses to cooperate in curbing the outbreak. The curfew will be observed March 22nd between 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., in which nobody shall leave their houses. It is being said that the idea behind this curfew is to break the chain as the virus survives for 12 hours on any surface. Number 6. Tightening of borders and lockdowns all around. India, France, Germany, Russia, Argentina, and many other countries either have imposed or are imposing national lockdowns to contain the fast spread of coronavirus. People are being instructed to get out of their houses only if they are in need of any essential items. Secondly, many countries have tightened their borders, meaning they are banning the entry of non-residents. Also asking their citizens to come back to their home countries. There is thermal screening happening at airports, and people are being advised to go into self-isolation for 14 days. Number 7. G7 summit falls victim to coronavirus. Coronavirus is not only affecting lives, but has also impacted the G7 Summit 2020. The summit was all set to take place in June. It was meant to be hosted by US President Donald Trump at the Camp David presidential retreat near Washington. But now, due to the adverse effects of the virus, the summit will now be done online. The group of 7 wealthy democracies will take part in the summit via video conferencing. Number 8. Paralyzing economies and imploding stock markets. It's not about one country's national economy this time, but in fact the whole of global economy has gotten affected due to the virus outbreak. In the midst of such paralyzing global economy and imploding stock markets, the policymakers have come with measures to save it. The European Central Bank has launched a €750 billion pandemic emergency bond buying scheme, and the United States unveiled the $1 trillion economic stimulus package to address coronavirus fallout. Number 9. Cannes Film Festival postponed. One of the major cultural events, the much-awaited and very popular International Film Festival Cannes, also got hit by COVID-19. The Cannes Film Festival, which was due to take place between May 12th and May 23rd in France, has gotten postponed. The organizers have decided to do so due to the ongoing pandemic situation around the world. Number 10. Olympic flame lit in Japan in an empty ceremony. Tokyo will be hosting the 2020 Olympic Games after 56 years. Greece handed over the Olympic flame to Tokyo at a closed-door ceremony amid coronavirus fears. The ceremony had very few spectators. There are chances that Olympic Games 2 might get affected and postponed due to coronavirus outbreak. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please push the notification bell to get the latest updates, and don't forget to subscribe to receive all of our latest videos. And share this with your dear ones. For more information, please visit Blogrope.com.